Hello students, I am Chelama Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Today I am going to discuss JEE Mains September 2020 questions in matrices. So I am going to discuss three questions. Those are three killer questions. See the first question what they are given. First question what they are given. A matrix given. A matrix given. A is equal to cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. We know that one statement A is equal to cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta means then A power n that is equal to cos n theta, sin n theta, minus sin n theta, cos n theta, where n belongs to capital N, natural numbers. This statement already we know that in IP intermediate. But see the question, what they are given, B is equal to A plus A power 4. What is A? That is cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. This is A matrix. Then A power 4 means what we can write? Cos 4 theta, sin 4 theta, minus sin 4 theta, cos 4 theta. These two matrices we want to add, and in the question they are given theta value. How much? Pi by 5. So theta value substitute and add those matrices. So we get cos pi by 5 plus second matrix, first column element, first row, first column element, cos 4 pi by 5. Next, first row, second column element, sin pi by 5 plus sin 4 pi by 5. Next, minus sin pi by 5 minus sin 4 pi by 5. Next, cos pi by 5 plus cos 4 pi by 5. So we got sum of A plus A power 4 matrix. And here, what is sin 4 pi by 5 value? Tell me students, 4 pi by 5, we can write pi minus pi by 5. Yes or no? 180 minus theta, second quadrant, sine positive. So we get sine pi by 5. Similarly, cos 4 pi by 5, that is also, you can write same like that. So what we get? In second quadrant, cos is negative. We get minus cos 4 pi by 5. Okay, these values substitute here. And cos 4 pi by 5 value, we are getting minus cos pi by 5. So these two going to cancel or not? Here also same. At the time, these two going to cancel. In place of that, we get 0. Okay. This is 0. Then what about sine 4 pi by 5 value? This value should be sine pi by 5. Substitute here sine pi by 5. Sine pi by 5 plus sine pi by 5. 2 sine pi by 5. Next, here minus 2 sine pi by 5. Here 0. Okay. Now, this is a B matrix. B is equal to, take common 2 sine pi by 5. Remaining, what is their matrix? 0, 1, minus 1, 0. And here, do the det. Why I am doing determinant means, here already given det of B. This value we need. That value is lies between either 2 to 3 or 1 to 2, exactly 1, exactly 0. We need to identify. Okay. Now, determinant of B, that is equal to det of 2 sine pi by 5, det of the matrix AD minus BC. So what we get? 0 minus of minus plus 1. Overall, we are getting modulus 2 sine pi by 5 only. 2 into, what is sine pi by 5 value, students? Pi by 5 means how much? 36 degrees. Sine 36 degrees value, how much? 10 minus. Tell me how much? 10 minus 2 root 5 by 2. 2. So here under root 10 minus 2 root 5 by 2. 2 to cancel. Remaining value, observe that under root 10 minus 2 root 5 value, it belongs to open interval 1 comma 2 only. Those value lies in between 1 and 2. So which option correct? Fourth option correct. Students, are you understood? This value lies between 1 to 2. Remember it. Okay. This is not easy question, but remember it, this statement. In our intermediate, we are solving this question by using mathematical induction. Okay. Right. Or you can find a square value, a cube value, then a power 4. You will get like that cos 4 theta only. But that is a lengthy method. So overall, I got the answer, fourth option. Okay. Right. I'm going to another question. This is a determinant related problem. See how to solve this. Det value we need to expand, then identify that x cube coefficient, x square coefficient, x coefficient constant, and b plus c value they are asking. Okay. Delta is equal to. So how to do that, students, tell me. So I'm going to do that R2 minus R1, and one more thing, R3 minus R2. These operations I am going to do, but there is no change in R1. X minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4. See here, R2 minus R1, we get x minus 1. Next, x minus 1. Here also x minus 1. Next, second one, R3 minus R2. We get x minus 2. Next here, 2x minus 4. Next, 6x minus 12. Okay. In second row, x minus 1 common. Third row, x minus 2 common. So remaining, we can write x minus 2, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 4. This is 1, 1, 1. Here 1, here 2, here 6. Up to here we got. Then how to do remaining? So I am going to do that. C2 minus C1. Next, C3 minus C2. These two operations. Okay. Now I'm writing here x minus 2, 1, 1. 2x minus 3 minus x plus 2. So that is we get x minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. Next, these two observe that. Again, we get x minus 1 only. 1 minus 1, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. This is. Here, x minus 1, x minus 2 is there. So here I am writing x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, students. Now, expand the determinant x minus 1, x minus 2. By using second row, I am expanding. We know the symbols plus, minus, plus like that. Here we get minus 1 into 4 into x minus 1 minus of x minus. This is okay. Minus take outside, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 2. Next, 4x minus x, 3x, 3x minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3. Take 3 common and already minus is there. So here we get, after taking the 3 common, x minus 1. Already x minus 1 is there. These two multiply, you will get x minus 1 whole square. Expand, x square minus 2x plus 1 into, one more term is there, x minus 2. Now multiply these two. So what happens is, students, minus 3 into x cube minus 2x square minus 2x square plus 4x plus x minus 2. Now multiply with minus 3. Minus 3x cube minus 2x square minus 2x square minus 4x square minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12x square. 4x plus x, 5x. 5 into minus 3 minus 15x plus 6. So this is in the form of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay. Now comparing coefficients, we need only b plus c. What is b value, students? 12. C value minus 15. What is b plus c finally? Minus 3. Minus 3. See the options? Yes, third option is a minus 3. So this is a lengthy problem, but do the calculation carefully, then you will get the answer easily. Okay, students, I think all of you understood now, right? I'm going to another question. One more question. So here, read the question carefully. The minimum and the maximum values of the function f of theta. But theta belongs to pi by 4 comma pi by 2 given. Okay. First, we need to expand f of theta. So here they are given minimum value is small m, maximum value is capital M, then find ordered pair small m comma capital M. Okay, right, f of theta. Then how to do, students, tell me how to do this. So I am going to do the operation C2 minus C1. Then what we get? There is no change in C1 column. First column, sine square theta minus cos square theta 12. Now here C2 minus C1. Calculate. Remaining we get minus theta. Minus 1, sorry. Here minus 1. 10 minus 12, 2. Remaining 1, 1 minus 2. Then how to do that? One more operation. C3 plus C2. And one more thing, C2 minus C1, no? C2 minus C1. So 10 minus 12, here minus 2, don't forget. Okay, right, now do that, C3 plus C2. So what we get? Minus sine square theta minus cos square theta 12 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0. Here we get minus 2 minus 4. Now by using this element, that means this row, I am going to do expand the determinant. In place of minus 4, what is the symbol? Positive only. Minus 4 into AD minus BC. Here we get sine square theta minus cos square theta. We know the formula. Cos square theta minus sine square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. That's why send minus inside, you will get in that form. So that formula I am writing, that is cos 2 theta. Students, up to here understood now? Right. Now don't do the mistake. Here only you are doing mistake. Generally, what is range of cos 2 theta? Oh, minus 1 to 1. Then multiply with 4, minus 4 less than or equal to 4 cos 2 theta less than or equal to 4. So you are thinking that minimum value, maximum value, that is minus 4 comma 4. Actually, this is wrong answer. Why it is wrong answer? Tell me. Here already given one interval, theta values. So theta value lies between pi by 4 to pi by 2. Okay. Now here 2 theta is there. 2 theta multiply with 2. Then what happened? We get pi by 2 less than or equal to 2 theta less than or equal to pi. Then apply cos on both sides. Cos 90 0, cos 2 theta, cos pi minus 1. So 0 to minus 1. So it's the symbols are going to change. Then one more term extra is there here. There is 4. Multiply with 4. Then what happens? See, 4 into 0, 0 greater than or equal to 4 cos 2 theta greater than or equal to minus 4. Right, reverse order, minus 4 less than or equal to, this is f of theta less than or equal to 0. So minimum value is minus 4. Maximum value is 0. In this case, minimum value is small m value 0. Sorry, not 0, minus 4. Small m value minus 4, capital M value 0. So write in ordered pair m comma capital M, that is equal to minus 4 comma 0. This is the correct answer. Don't do this method. If you are done that method, you will get a wrong answer. So correct answer is which option? Second option. Most of the students, they will do the mistake here only. That's why observe the question carefully. Why they are given function here, that is the important. Okay, students, I hope all of you understood now. Till now, who are not subscribed my channel, subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. And most important thing, click on bell icon. Whenever I will upload video, you will get first notification. Thank you.